Somebody finally figured out how to build a portable speaker that matches the heavy hitters for half the cost, and it is causing a massive stir. It sounds like the typical marketing noise we hear every single season, but this time there is some serious weight behind the claims. We are looking at 50 watts of raw output. All of that power is packed into a rugged frame that won a major design award this year. It is not just some generic plastic box. It has a clever hidden handle and a build quality that feels far more premium than the price tag suggests. What really caught my attention was the audio engineering. This device was tuned by the exact same professional audio team that handles the biggest names in the business. That is a massive deal because sound quality is not just about how big your speakers are, it is about the math and the science behind how the output is managed. This speaker stays balanced and clear even when you are pushing the volume to the limit. Most budget options start to sound like a screeching mess once you get past 70% volume, but this one holds its composure. It features the latest wireless connectivity standard and even has a sensor that lets you pair your phone just by tapping it against the casing. The battery life is another high point, offering 26 hours of playback if you keep it at moderate levels. You can even use it as a mobile power station to charge your phone while you are out in the wild. It carries the highest rating for water and dust resistance, meaning it can survive a literal dunk in the pool without skipping a beat. But we have to talk about the trade-offs because no piece of gear is perfect. If you spend any time looking at user feedback, you will see reports of some units having a persistent rattle when the bass gets heavy. This suggests that the quality control might be a bit hit or miss at the factory. When you really lean into the low end, the bass can feel a bit undisciplined. It is loud and punchy, but it lacks that tight surgical precision you find in the more expensive brands. The bass boost feature is particularly tricky. Instead of giving you those deep subwoofer style lows, it focuses on the upper bass frequencies. Indoors, this can make everything sound a bit muddy and muffled, crowding out the vocals and the finer details in the music. Then there is the big secret that the flashy ads usually skip over. This is a mono speaker. It uses one woofer and one tweeter, both firing in the same direction. If you want that wide, expansive stereo sound that fills a room, you are going to need to buy two of these and link them together using their special sync feature. It is a fair fight when you compare it to the mono units from the big brands, but you have to manage your expectations. If you are looking for a rugged, loud, and affordable companion for the beach or a backyard party, this is a genuine contender. It brings high-end audio engineering to a price point that was previously full of junk. Just make sure to test your unit for any hardware rattles right out of the box and maybe avoid that bass boost button when you are sitting in a small room. The truth is far more interesting than the marketing hype, but in this case, the value is undeniable.